So you've cleaned your mackerel and now it's just sitting there looking at you. Let me show you how to turn it into a simple, delicious Nigerian fish sauce in minutes. Let's cook. The ingredients are already prepped mackerel, sliced carrots, green onion sliced, purple onion sliced, sliced cabbage, orange, red, green, yellow bell peppers, already made stew. For the dried ingredients, we have a teaspoon of thyme, 2 teaspoons of curry, seasoning cubes, Jemmy soup spice, and of course salt to taste. So first step is to steam the mackerel. I'll add some onion, just a little. Add some water. So close the pot and allow it to cook till it's soft. It's 10 minutes and the fish is cooked. It's soft enough. So remove it now so we can debone it. Now that it's cooled down, I'm going to remove the bones. Now that we've removed the bones, next step is to mash, to break it. Next is to begin the process of the stir fry, to stir fry our veggies. So I'll add our oil, canola oil, with salt, then thyme. Next is the onion and the carrots. There. We allow this to cook for about 2 minutes before adding the cabbage. We add our green peppers. Next we add our spices, the seasoning cubes. Mix thoroughly and make sure it's on low heat. So next is to add our already made stew. Now we add our mackerel, mashed mackerel, our main ingredient. So add a cup of water, because this is a sauce, right? Finally, we add our green onion. Mix thoroughly. Now, fish sauce is ready. You can have this with rice, plantain, yam, potatoes. It's yummy. Remember to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you can be notified whenever we have a new video.